Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back. My name's Mikaley and we are on a solo trip with just myself and my 3-year-old, almost 4-year-old, to celebrate his birthday. And we are walking into, let's go. Yes, it's your birthday. 4. Look, you see Mickey? Birthday to you, birthday to you. Thank you. Make a wish. Yay! Okay guys, so we finished up our breakfast at Tusker House. I am obsessed. I will definitely do that again. I really enjoyed it. And we just got off Navi River Journey. I had a lightning lane for that. It was our first time riding, so that was fun. And now I have a lightning lane booked for the safaris. Like the first week of June maybe, and then we're actually trying to check in too early. I didn't realize our safari wasn't until like 45 minutes. So we are going to get on this Rafiki Wildlife Express train. So it's our first time. We are on the train and they said they have a petting zoo. So Reese is so excited for that. What animals do you want to pet?
Zebra.
A zebra? That would be cool. White Rhino building. Show. You can barely see me, but we had to sprint from Lion King to Nemo to make it in time, so I'm drenched, but we're about to watch Nemo. We really wanted to see it, so I was literally like a crazy person running through Animal Kingdom with the stroller trying to make it here, so we made it. Sorry if I hit anybody's heels on the way.
If I may be man, sure, when I'm in fool. No! Or an angel fish, is it true that they have take a look around you. The ocean's so high.
Swimming under a lucky star.
We're about to get on Triceratops Spin. We finished up with the Nemo show and then had to run here to get here in time. But I really loved the Nemo show. I was really surprised. We loved the Lion King, but I think if you have to pick Lion King or Nemo show, I would do Lion King. I think it's a little bit better, but the Nemo one was still really cool. Excited for Triceratops. Reese is a huge dinosaur lover. He almost loves dinosaurs more than Mickey. So the combination of Disney World and dinosaurs is like his favorite. So I'm so sad this part of the park is closing, but I'm excited to enjoy it one more time. now at the Boneyard Playground in Animal Kingdom. This is the place to be if you have kids, toddlers, preschoolers, older kids. It's a huge dinosaur playground. Now we're going to a place where they have like a little sand pit and fossils and shovels. So I'm just so excited to do that. I'll show y'all. Yeah. You want one? Pick up your little bucket and start digging. That's so cool, Reese.
Again.
Again? For spending the day with us at Animal Kingdom. We had the best day ever. We are now at Hollywood Studios, but I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog and start my next one. Be sure to subscribe. We have so much Disney content coming. I'll see y'all in my Hollywood Studios vlog. Bye.